To this, you're going to need 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 large eggs, 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of water, and for the nosh that goes on top, you'll need 1/2 cup to 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream if you want chocolate on top. Preheat oven to 325. Use a 9x5 metal loaf pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt to the bowl of a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. Add the eggs and sugar. Beat until light and fluffy, about 5 minutes. With the mixture on low, add the melted chocolate, vegetable oil, and water. Mix until smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Bake for 55 to 90 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out with no crumbs on it. Allow the cake to cool completely before adding the ganache. For the ganache, place the chocolate chips in a heat-safe bowl. Set aside as you heat up the heavy cream. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, bring the heavy cream to a simmer, stirring occasionally. Be careful not to burn the cream. Pour the cream over the chocolate. Let it sit for a minute or two before slowly stirring until all chips are melted. Allow the ganache to cool and thicken slightly before drizzling it over the cooled bread. Once spread over the loaf, let it set for at least 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. And this is what it looks like. I didn't use a loaf pan. I used this pie pan. But you can do whatever you want. And this is my recipe for brownie bread. Thanks for watching. And if you also wanted something to add different to it, you can ground up zucchini and put in it too. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already. And thank you. Bye.